Whoa.
Wala na tulo. Ha? So ito yun guys, yung Honda CRV na ano. Wala na. Ha?
Wala. One yan. Dati yan.
Wala nga, bago na eh. Wala na, no?
Dati yan.
Parang ano yan. May dala kang ano? Dala mo yung gulong mo? Dala mo yung gulong mo? Pre, dala mo yung gulong mo?
Ha?
Dala mo yung gulong mo? Na dalawa?
Hindi ko dinala. Kunin mo lang muna. Ato?
Hindi natin maano kasi kung ano eh.
O hindi makukuha yung ano no?
Yung tunog kung saan mong gagaling eh. Pag yan pa rin yung same gulong. Diba?
Yan ang, kasi si Sam sabi niya baka kunan niya ng bago.
Oh, okay. Hindi, bago na lang talaga.
Bago na lang yung kuwan.
Baka magbago. May ano ang kuhain ninyo, yung hindi masyadong maano yung...
Tingnan mo pre, pero nakukuhan siya minsan sa isang sa kuwan hindi tumutunog, minsan tumutunog. Mga ganyan ba? Pero makukuhan mo talaga ako na may
Oh,
tunog yung kuwan.
Pupunta tayong ano.
Tapos ito yung kuwan pre.
Ano to? Nabubuksan dito?
Yan ang nakita ko yung kuwan.
So, yung ating... Yan.
Ano talaga?
So guys, nandito yung fuse. Honda CRV-2005. So hindi ko masyado ma-focus yan. They have a label for fuse too, like that one. So, and here is the diagram that you can locate where is the socket fuses. So the number 18, you're gonna take a look on number 18 there. That's for 15 ampere front AC socket, and the number 15 ampere front AC socket to. So that one is included. So now guys, if you don't have tools, you can pop up your hood. Okay, pop up your hood. They have a fuse in here. Okay, this fuse, open this up. Okay, and your fuse holder is located here. Okay, it's right here. This is your fuse holder. Okay, you're gonna take this out. That's located there, your fuse holder here. So you don't need tools to take it out that fuses. Then now we come back here inside. I take it out the fuse. Here's the number 15 fuse that I see it. That is busted. Okay. And the other one, this is came out from number 18. I take a look both of them. So guys, that's the fuse right now. I installed it already. You see that? It's number 15. Okay, that's the power socket. 15 and 18. Then we're gonna try it. Where you go? So we can try that power socket there. Okay. mo akong pahihiyain. Oh yeah,
Oh, nice.
there you go.
Yeah.
It's working, baby. Look at that. So that means it's working. You see the lights? On and off. I'll scare you. Okay, bye. Hi guys, bye for now. Thank you for watching.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable.